So many songs, they stop saying congrats. Been around the globe, I'll tell you it ain't flat. Stop saying. It's the big horse. Static, what up? Sipping on Vouv, ice jackets keep the temperature cool. Toast to the winners that's been in the rules. 40 on me, militant moves. No time for frivolous views, don't get it confused. New York nigga, Yankee fitted Timberland boots. Sit in the coupe, get rid of the roof. Your man got you walking mine? Get in the coupe. My flow is fabulous, like I got a chip in my tooth. I'm getting money, why the fuck would I listen to you? My man said to work a 9 and I could hit it with 2. I put a 1 on it to make sure that shit is the truth. My heart breaks when I ace and this point was a deuce. I'm even pissed thinking about it as I'm talking to you. I goes off in the booth, horses off than I do. When they didn't think Lauren was cool. Respect my shit cause I kills every fit, bring the coroner through. Flyest nigga that came off of the stoop. Low. I sing solo, Moet and pink polo. Spend 100,000 on clothes with the logos. My champagne bubble bath, water pink, quarter mink. Shorty started batting the eyes when she saw the link. The type of love I get can't be purchased. Paid for my past mistakes, now I know my purpose. I dropped so many songs, they stopped saying congrats. Been around the globe, I'll tell you it ain't flat. Stop saying normalize when normally all you do is lie. Talking fast, twisting your words, that's do or die. Y'all don't be moving pies, y'all would get crucified. Hog tied, muzzled and stripped, lucky if you survive. I'm a business owner, I don't get taxes back. Rapping them packs for 34, that's a hacker shack. Packing them back and back of the act, let it rat a tat. This is how you gotta go in when you rap with stack.
I pull up into your city with my mind on my moolah, with more flex than a yogi and more drip than a jeweler. Gave birth to you rap niggas like I'm a doula. Hit your medulla oblongata with a tool, a motherfucker.